Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This video will show you how to duplicate, hide, unhide, color, and copy of worksheets in Google Sheets. Kindly also go through my previous video where I clearly explained how to insert, delete, rename, reorder, and switch worksheets. Let's move on to the video. First, we can see how to duplicate the worksheet. Do right-click on the tab and select Duplicate in the drop-down option. Now you can see that the duplicate worksheet has been created with the same data. You can also rename the worksheet as per your requirements. Now we can see how to hide and unhide the worksheets. Do right-click on the tab and select Hide Sheet in the drop-down option. Now you can see that the worksheet has been hidden. To unhide the worksheet, click on View and then select Hidden Sheets. From that, select the worksheet which you want to unhide. Now we can see how to color the worksheets. Do right-click on the tab and select Change Color in the drop-down option. And select the color you want to give to the worksheet. You can do this for multiple worksheets with different colors. Finally, we can see how to copy the worksheets. Do right-click on the tab and select Copy to in the drop-down option. In that, we can see two options. One is New Spreadsheet and another one is Existing Spreadsheet. First, I select New Spreadsheet, which will create a new spreadsheet and copy this sheet to that new spreadsheet. You can see that the new spreadsheet has been created automatically and copied this worksheet to that new spreadsheet with existing data. I just closed the new spreadsheet. This time I select Existing Spreadsheet, which will show your existing spreadsheets in your Google Drive, where you can select the spreadsheet that this worksheet wants to copy. Select the spreadsheet and click Insert. Now the worksheet has been copied to the selected existing spreadsheet, which is already in the Google Drive. You can see all the data in that worksheet was copied to this spreadsheet. That's it. In this video, we have learned how to duplicate, hide, unhide, color, and copy of worksheets in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is useful, consider to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.